Righto, just going to quickly show you how to measure the height of cut on a cylinder type mower. This is a Rover 45, an old Rover Select, same thing. It's got a 10 blade reel, brand new Briggs & Stratton. What you'll need to measure the height of cut will be measuring tape and just here a straight edge. So what you want to do, you want to lay your mower down. Don't want to do that for too long. A couple of seconds will be fine. Grab your straight edge, put that between your front roller and rear roller. Have that there like that. Grab your measuring tape, and you want to put your measuring tape hooked up on your on the top of your blade, and it will measure the height between the blade and the straight edge, which is theoretically the ground level. And this one's set at around 7.5 mil, so that's what we know what height we're cutting at.